Mr. Burris, stand at the podium if you would, please. Mr. Burris, as I indicated, this is a bond hearing, and one of the purposes of a bond hearing is to make sure you understand what you've been charged with. I have before me 4 arrest warrants charging you with the following crimes: murder, possession of a pistol by a person under 18, possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime of violence, and criminal conspiracy, as well as armed robbery. On each of those charges, you have the right, and you also have the obligation to be present for all of your court appearances. Should you fail to appear as required, you can be tried, you can be convicted, and you can be sentenced in your absence, and additional charges could then be brought against you for not coming to court. You have a right to a trial by jury on these charges, and you certainly have a right to discuss this case with an attorney. You have any questions so far about what we're doing here today?
No.
One of these charges is a charge that I can't even set the bond on, and that is the murder charge. Mr. Burris will have to be taken in front of a circuit court judge for the purposes of setting his bond on that charge. I presume you've been advised of your rights concerning not being required to say anything. In this case, I'm not even going to ask whether or not you want to contribute anything to this process, because I'm going to deny your bond on the 4 charges that I have jurisdiction over. And you'll have to deal, as I indicated, you'll have to deal with the circuit court judge on the murder charge. But do you have any questions about what's going on here? But from the incident report, there appears to be numerous potential witnesses in this case, and I will include family members of the alleged victim, all of those witnesses in this order, which requires you to have no contact with them while this case is pending, or to have anyone on your behalf have any contact with them while this case is